Hey everybody, thanks for checking out the video. As you probably seen in the description, this is 10-year-old mattresses at a stinky firehouse. So I wanted to just do a little experiment on basically what an everyday Bissell carpet cleaner scrubber could do, if anything, to help with just the bare smell of a mattress at a firehouse. And these are the tools I had. And so I went to work with the Bissell. I got off the wife. She let me borrow it, so I used it. And let's see what it can do here. Thanks, everybody. Richie. Beautiful. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Again, this was just done on my housework. As firefighters each day, we have to do housework, each shift, each line. So I figured why not try and do something that we can all benefit from. At the end of this, you can also see throughout this how much dirt has came out of the mattresses here at work. It's not just the exposure that we get inside of fires, it can also be the exposure that we get within the firehouse. And not only that is what we can also bring home to our families. So again, take precautions with each and every day. Be safe out there. Thanks again, everybody, so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Catch you later.